In today's video, we're diving into how to use Deel for global payroll management, a solution that's revolutionizing how businesses handle international teams and contractors. Whether you're new to Deel or looking for a quick guide to maximize its features, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive bonus that could save you a lot of time and money if you decide to give Deel a try. Deel is designed to make paying global teams as easy as paying a local employee. It allows businesses to hire anyone, anywhere, and manage their payroll seamlessly. What sets Deel apart from traditional payroll systems is its flexibility and its ability to handle multiple currencies, tax regulations, and compliance requirements for employees around the world. When you first sign up for Deel, you'll be able to onboard new employees or contractors by adding their details to the platform. Deel simplifies this process by providing customizable contracts, whether you're hiring a full-time employee, a freelancer, or a contractor. It even handles different types of employment agreements based on where your team is located. So, no more worrying about creating complicated contracts for every country. Once your team is set up on Deel, managing payroll becomes simple. Deel automatically calculates and processes payroll, taking into account the specific tax rules and benefits for each country your employees are based in. This means you don't need to manually keep up with the constantly changing regulations in different countries. Deel does it for you. All you need to do is input the salary, and Deel handles the rest, ensuring that your employees are paid correctly, on time, and in their preferred currency. Deel also integrates with your existing accounting and HR software, making it a seamless part of your workflow. If you're using tools like QuickBooks or Xero, you can sync Deel with them to automatically transfer data, reducing the manual work and risk of error. For HR teams, Deel offers a user-friendly dashboard where you can track payroll, view payment history, and even keep an eye on compliance across different jurisdictions. Now, let's talk about one of Deel's standout features: compliance. If you're hiring internationally, staying compliant with local labor laws is one of the most complex aspects of global payroll management. Deel is built to help with this by handling contracts, taxes, and benefits, making sure you meet the legal requirements of every country you operate in. It's a huge time saver for companies that want to expand globally without getting bogged down by paperwork and legal issues. Another fantastic feature is Deel's support for various payment methods. You can pay your global employees via direct deposit, international bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency. This flexibility is especially important when you have teams spread across different regions. Deel makes it easy for your employees to get paid in a way that works best for them. If you're thinking about using Deel for your global payroll management, you're in luck because you can try it out for free with an exclusive offer linked in the description below. By using the first link, you'll get an extended trial with some bonus features that will help you get the most out of Deel without committing right away. To wrap up, Deel is an incredibly powerful tool for any company looking to streamline global payroll. From automated payroll and taxes to global compliance and payment flexibility, it offers everything you need to manage a global workforce without the hassle. Be sure to take advantage of the exclusive offer through the link below and start using Deel for free today.